How to check old messages on Instagram using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap the arrow messages icon in the bottom corner of the home screen to open your direct messages. To find an older conversation, simply scroll down through your chat list until you reach the conversation you're looking for. If you have many chats, tap the search bar at the top of the messages screen and enter the person's name or username. This will quickly locate the conversation. Once you open the chat, scroll upward to load older messages. Instagram will continue loading previous messages as you scroll, allowing you to view your conversation history. And that's it. That's how you can check old messages on Instagram using the latest version of the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.